Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. وين سلامي دنا أسبت زكريا إسحاق channel كما أنت أنا فرحسنا إن أنا لجوكتو Shirkoley Youth Center for the award ceremony of Shirkoley Youth. I think it was an honor to be part of this award ceremony. Me and my friends Emerson Jinjimbere from Nigeria and Joshua Abdul from Kenya. Your talent to a Somalian friend who also came from Nairobi. And we are all footballers of Somali Premier League. I think we were joined by our co-player and former players. Chini was also around and some other old players to grace the occasion. I think it was really an amazing program, and it was all about just motivating or giving inspiration to the youth to be able to keep up to their best and be able to see what they can also become in future. Inshallah, it was a nice program. You can see Shirkoley Youth, the boss of the Ghana was just arranging the guys to be able to give us a good look at the program. Then that short man with the cap is taking a picture with an ex-player. Emerson is taking a picture with an ex-player, and we were just having fun the whole day. It was fun. You can see Joshua Abdul and Talent also having fun together. It was really an amazing program, and we hope and believe that I can see Mahatshin also laughing. I think Mahatshin started the program, and I also joined with motivation to the guys I was talking about, and being disciplined and dedicated to their training, and also respecting the in charge or the coaches that are always giving the instruction during training, and to also be serious with their prayers as well as respecting each other during training and other related activities. I think it was a very good program, like I said earlier on. You can see Joshua Abdul. I have another name for him, but I will preserve that one for now. You can see Joshua Abdul also enjoying himself. I think it was just about fun, having fun with the youth. Calling upon us at this important program was an indication that we have people are always appreciating what we are doing during the game. So we also like to thank Abdukani and the entire management of Shirkoley Youth for seeing the need to invite us to this program. I can see Joshua Abdul also coming to pick the mic. He also talk. He is the crazy striker, one of the crazy strikers in the Kidai. My teammate, but we like fighting too much. He has been troubling me in the room. I think he also gave an advice to the youth by telling them to be serious not only in the field of play but to also take their education as well serious. And I think it was a very laudable one. You see that short man trying to use his his medal to hit me because I was asking him questions that he wasn't happy about. And I was giving the coach of the team an award. I think I presented him the award. It was a fantastic moment for all of us, I think. I can see that short man still laughing. Talento has also been there. The man with the hair, the stylish hair. Yeah, as the awards keep throwing in, you can see that Abdulkani has done marvelously well by getting some pair of boots and other medals with some other awards, golden boot and other things to motivate the young boys to keep up their good work. I think we need the support of the general public to be able to take this team far. So both in and outside Somalia, you try as much as possible to assist Abdukani to be able to realize the dream. I think he has been able to produce a good number of players for the Somali. I played with one who was with me in Dekeda. He plays with me in Dekeda Sahel. I think he has been doing marvelously well. Some of the players have been with the national under 17 team and under 15, I think. So
I'd like to also thank the Somali Federation for also contributing their quota to the development of youth academies in the country. I think the new administration has been doing fantastic job. Kudos to Abdushini and his team for the wonderful job, and best of luck to everybody. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.